What's going on, guys? It's Jay here with Orlando Car Club. Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we have a video. Today we're going to Lamborghini Orlando. They're doing an unveiling of the new Lamborghini Revuelto, and we got invited. Look at us, son. We'll be coming to some people around here. Just filled her up. She's a happy camper. Now on our way to Lamborghini Orlando. You already know, boys. Oh, what the fuck, buddy? You're going the wrong way, buddy.
Oh my God.
Hey, sir. Sir.
He doesn't even care.
My boy. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived to Lamborghini Orlando. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, everybody in Orlando's here, huh? All the big boys are here in Orlando, huh? Yeah, guys, they're sending us to the back because we don't have a nice car. But look at this. Look at this. This is nice. This is nice too. Man, I love me a good Bentley, yo. Alrighty, guys, we just went ahead and parked here with this 330, and this Euro parked here for some reason. My valet boy told me I can park with the big boys, but then they told me no. You got Urus over there. That's just nice, purple. That looks beautiful. Yeah, these is hard. Look at all that. Ferrari 812 here. Man, this is one of my favorite cars, not gonna lie. And this is that blue Bentley. Blue Bentley, wow, that shit is nice. Lambos on Lambos on Lambos. Man, that shit goes hard. More Urus and an STO. And another Lambo. How you doing? Got this evil 2K, guys. I know where the real party's back there. Oh my God, guys, we're here in time. We're here in time. They haven't unveiled it yet. I wonder when they will. I guess we'll find out. Okay, I haven't seen this car in person yet, but looks pretty nice. What do you guys think? Not practical, but useful. Have the lights on, huh? Got a Rolls Royce side here. This is about like 6 Rolls Royces. They gotta get some more Rolls out here, bro. Look, it is electric. An electric Rolls Royce right here. Huh? Pretty sure it's electric. It looks like it's electric. Yeah, that's just electric, bro. That's nice.
I think Sean said he was already on it.
It's bedazzled Rolls Royce out here. This is ready for his new owner. Huh? To who? To me? I wish. I wish. Man, Rolls Royce is a hell of a car, guys. Let's go check out that Bentley over there. Hey, if there's a car I'd take, it'd definitely be a Bentley. The class. And they have, I think they're W12s or V12. I know it's 12 cylinder. I don't know if it's W or V. But man, these cars though. Especially this blue one, bro. Yo, babe, buy me this one. Baby, buy me this Bentley. With the blue stitching? Oh my God, bro. Look at the blue. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Can I unplug that? Can I unplug that plug there? That's fine. That's fine. I never touched that. Seems like some more bulls pulled up here, huh? That boy said, let me drive the Lambo, I'll park it for you. I know I'm pulling up there as well. Man. Gotta get me a Lambo one day, bro. Shit. G-Wagon's nice. Got red guts inside. Nice, nice, very nice. STO, very nice. 720, very nice. This one's loud as fuck too, man. Oh yeah. And another 812. Let's fucking go, dude. That shit is beautiful. That shit is gorgeous. What the hell? What's that doing here? Purple and green STO. Hey, Tony. How you doing, brother?
What's up, man?
Good, and you?
Everything's good?
Hey, bro, I love your shirt, bro. Let's go.
Yeah, man.
Looks dope.
You coming tomorrow to our show?
Yes,
Yeah.
I will. You know what? Come here. You got time?
Yeah. What's up?
We're going to his car show tomorrow.
Yes.
If I don't go, it's blame it on her.
Yeah.
If I don't go, blame it on her.
Don't you have a Manson takeover?
Yes, and I
Yeah.
wanted to. I texted you and Vinny
What day is it?
the
December?
27th.
We'll be there. I usually don't plan that far ahead.
Yeah.
But I mean, I
Planning
don't think I
out.
have to do anything on December 27th.
You sure?
Yeah. I mean,
Sure?
I know by like,
You're a busy guy.
yeah.
I know.
Wait, December 27th?
No, January.
Oh,
January.
okay, yeah.
27.
Yeah, I'll be there.
Oh shit. We came in here right in time. Bang, bang, bang. Excuse me, guys. Hey, what color do you guys think it's gonna be? What color? Orange, yeah. They're like all in orange, huh?
Because you're going to want what's coming up in the future, and I can tell you, you will not be disappointed. So, without further ado, I'm going to turn it over to Danielle. He
got me, bro.
head of the South.
I thought he was gonna do it.
Good job.
Single wheel in the front. The monocoque become a fuselage, so the spark is 2015, 2.5 seconds for 260. And
Well, guys, you're not gonna believe it. Literally, the freaking video that I'm recording, the car being revealed, got corrupted. And every other video past that as well. So, I'm gonna put some clips of what I found on Instagram that people have posted so you guys can see it. And that way, it's not clickbait. I tried my best. I don't know what to tell you. Anyways, today's a new day. Today's the next day. We're gonna go to Toby Performance in Orlando. They're gonna be doing a little car show. Guys, we're gonna be on our way over there right now, and there should be some cool cars there. Alright guys, we're here. And a 720 just put out. Oh boy. I'm technical here already. Got an M6 or maybe a 650. Ferrari Audi R8, older version. And GTR. Oh, there we go. Massive. Gotta love the builds, boys. This is my favorite exotic ever. I'll take an Audi R8 over anything, to be honest. Unless it's vintage McLaren. I missed Audi R8 pulling up, but some more cars showing up right now. That's I ain't sure like 10 of these are freaking fun. Nah, those look hard though. Nah, bro, it's dark as fuck out here. Yo, Vinny and Tony, y'all boys need some lights out here, okay? Guys, so we got here to the car show. Small event right now, but more people should be showing up. Bro, yo, bro, how many times are we gonna see each other? How are ya? ¿Cómo está, pa? Jay, ¿cómo está? Jay, ¿cómo está? La pinga. ¿Cómo está la pizza esa, Está rica la pizza,
Busca otra.
Oh, excuse me, boss. Man, I love me a good Bentley, man. I told y'all. Man, I love this Porsche, bro. Porsche has such a presence. Jeez. We got a little Corvette pulling up here. Well, now that these people are revving in here like a motherfucker, it smells like a fucking firework factory up in this bitch. God damn. Check out the cars I was gonna show you guys earlier. I'm gonna just keep talking because of the copyrighted music. Hopefully I'm blocking the shot. Alright. That's it. Ah, that's good, bro. Yeah. Rev it up a little bit. Hey, is that an M6 or a 650?
Just a 650.
650? Anything done to it or no? Got the real street hat? Stage 2? Okay, okay, I see you. Shoot flames or no?
No.
No? Oh, okay. You heard that? But is that Sport Plus? Said it wasn't loud. That sounds fire. Alright, nice little rumble. Bro, that sounds really good. That turbo spool. Hey boss, your car looks beautiful, brother. Beautiful. You got anything done to it?
Exhaust.
Just an exhaust?
Yeah.
Sounds good. Can you rev it a little bit? Sounds great, brother. When'd you get it? All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get out of here. Oh, they're racing. Yo, Ricky, you next. Ricky and Zoltan. All right, guys, so before I was really interrupted by a street race, we're gonna get out of here. It was a great time, great seeing a bunch of people that I see on Instagram all the time. I actually found my biggest client that he's from Miami. He's here for an event on Sunday, and he happened to be here, so that's pretty cool as well.